All right, so I'm out here in Francis Marion National Forest doing some riding, and I've gotten into doing some moto vlogging. And what's helping me do that is this Dango Design GoPro mount for my helmet. I've been super impressed by this thing. I've taken on some single track trails here, doing some dirt road riding, highway riding. This thing has stood up to the full force of it, and I'm very impressed with it. So I'm gonna do a quick review on it. Maybe get you guys to go out and get one of your on your own if you want to get into some more moto vlogging style videos, or just record your rides, because I think this thing is a must-have. It's super simple, really solid price, good product design, and really love the styling of it. So basically the premise of it is you have this clip, solid clip. You have some rubber grip on the inside, and your classic just GoPro mount, which goes onto the front of it. Feels super sturdy. This front mount can rotate left or right, so you can get that GoPro moving around however you like. And yeah, it's solid. I'm gonna switch over to this GoPro here, because one of the nice things is that you can just use it as a kind of like holding. You can kind of look around, hold it, and it makes for a really sturdy grip on a GoPro that's already kind of hard to handle. Dango Design's GoPro mount, it's solid. I'll show you here as I put it onto my helmet. Basically how it works is you just get it opened up, get it on the front here, clamp it down, and it's solid. It's like not going anywhere. Like, this thing is like freaking solid. So I'm super impressed with this. Like I said, I've taken on some single track trails. It's stood up. You'll see a lot of more videos coming out here soon where I'm using this on my helmet just to give you that first person view of where I'm looking, what I'm doing, my handlebar. And I think it's been solid. I mean, it's such a good look. And I found this company on Instagram. They had some ads going up, and just thought I'd give it a look, and I like the product, and I've been looking for something like that and wasn't really happy with what GoPro was putting out for this kind of thing. So I thought I'd give it a shot, and product came in the mail in like a couple days, and yeah, it's been great. I love it. It looks good. Happy with the design. I'm gonna be shooting a lot more videos with this thing on my helmet. I'm probably just gonna keep it on my helmet all the time because it's that good. So yeah, hope you guys give them a look, give them a little, see what they're all about, go research a little bit more. But this thing fits on any type of helmet. I even got my AGV helmet right here, and look, this thing is like perfect. Like, it's going on there as well. Like, there's nothing better than that. It's so simple to take on and off, and yeah, I've been super happy with it. So I'll show a montage of all my riding footage that I've been using with this thing, and let's see what you guys think.